Here's the magic of Fibonacci and reversal zone playing out in front of you. As I've been spelling out to you since last week, all the levels in front of you identified by AlphaWavetrader method since last Monday. Here is very crucial reminder and why I named this Fibonacci levels reversal zone. Never ever ever acquire position into reversal zone. This is a formation last Thursday, last Friday, complete collapse, yesterday when we've been shorting for 7 points S&P. This morning, ultimate war zone. Monitoring S&P very carefully right now. We have equal buyers and sellers. Equal buyers and sellers. We need S&P as low as possible in order to buy. The same thing we've done yesterday with my beautiful students, taking 4 points push to the upside until here at the market close. So that's what we've done yesterday. 3 points up, 7 points down, and 4 points up. This is war zone, ultimate war zone. We completely stayed out of worthless war zone, and we took it as low as possible when markets start giving us very clear, congruent signal. 2 points later. Will S&P blast through this level? Wouldn't that be magical? Let's see what S&P will do at reversal zone. At any moment I will be adjusting my trail. As we discussed with my students, multiple trades play out all over the place. And that's the magic of the price. Congruency is the key. Rule-based trading is everything. Get rid of addiction to indicators. Play by the rules. Trading becomes magic. As Neil says, become a puma. Wait. Practice by the rules, and the skies become the limit. Please do not call me during trading room hours. Reversal zone and a play. Price is completely stuck. 1 minute chart is doing exact same thing as hourly. 1 minute chart is doing exact same thing as Euro weekly. Do you know when to take your profits off the table? Do you know when to move your stop to break even? No indicator on the planet will tell you that, but your knowledge of the markets will. What are we seeing happening with price? Collapsing from reversal zone. We expected that. We knew when to move the stop to break even. 1 minute is doing exact same thing as hourly. We expected the pain and suffering. What will the price do? Will we be able to catch more than 2.5 points? Or is this it? If you respect what price is telling you, you would completely recognize the conflict in this market, which we're discussing with my students is hysterical formation. It actually absolutely is historical and hysterical. Look on this chart. All the levels filled out by the price since last week continue playing out. As I said, I will be buying only as low as possible. As I said, we are still in very big pickle, and this level remains the key. Price is stuck completely and struggling immensely. What a sell-off! What a powerful collapse! Did you know when to move your stop outside of break-even? We are out of this trade. Clear? 2.5 points. Stop was moved outside of break-even. I warned you. Don't be surprised if you see that. We're not re-entering another bullish trade currently. Very dangerous market conditions. Incredible conflict remains. So if you know where reversal zone is, your trading goes to entirely different level. If you know when to exit the trade, it's everything. If you don't, the most profitable trade can become complete instant loser. And that's a picture-perfect reminder. Let's document the results. This was trade number 40, correct? 44 trades, decision point 1. Remember, I documented this trade as a loser. It came to decision point 1, but there was absolutely not enough space to targets. Multiple times we go for decision point 1 when we get 3 and 5 points. And that world of difference. This trade made it to decision point 2. When price flies to reversal zone and further targets, my trade migrates into larger time frames. This trade never migrated into larger time frame. We did not expect it to. Reversal zone can be. And what a crucial reminder, what will happen eventually on S&P monthly. All the same formula. Don't matter to me if it's 1 minute or monthly. Should matter to you. What instrument to trade is your choice. If you come to the website and you browse what students have to say, you can see clearly. Students trade anything. Listen to graduates. Stocks, options, forex. Anything. And if you listen to Janice, who is like you, Terry, Janice came to me without ever placing a trigger on the platform. And she always loved to call you back and talk to you. We have an open forum with my students. I can't wait to meet Janice. Janice is a beautiful lady, retiree in Florida, who is profitable. Beginner trader comes to me. She's been trading less than 2 years. It's been probably a year and a half by now. If beginner trader can do it, so can anyone. And this is a confirmation, as you could see, what students trade. And this was interview with Kathy, who trades DAX this morning. You want to trade oil? Become like Hank. Hopefully Carol will give the interview soon. Forex, stocks, options, anything that has price has AlphaWavetrader method. And that's exactly the focus of the bootcamp. Only 5 spaces left. If you're lucky enough to join the bootcamp, we have Pure Blast. Huge difference between regular course and if you take the course with bootcamp, you learn the strategies that's not part of the regular course. You will be in intense trading environment. There is not 1 second wasted on nonsense. You get quadruple amount of education with my best strategy yet. Every time I develop a new strategy, it's better than the previous one. It's typical evolution of a trader. And I simply go by what my students say. All of the students who took previous Dream Bootcamp coming back for this one. And this is Cassie, as you saw, she was posting this morning. Correct? Cassie is coming back for the bootcamp. Dream Hunter, I love that. And that was Sam, who is quoting Dream is the path to financial freedom. It's all the same people who you saw is sharing their results. That's Sam, and that's Catherine, profits this morning on DAX. 20 contracts, 20 points on DAX with 2 contracts. Time to take a vacation. Every day my students update me on what they done pre-market, and that's all that matters to me, frankly. I teach you how to fish, you go catch your fish. You play by the rules, the sky's the limit. You become like Sam, you become like Catherine, you become like Michael. Real traders, real stories. I love meeting my students, I fly all over the world. People in shock when they're inviting me and I show up in Singapore or Australia. I'm on my way to Dubai. So, and we always meet in Newport Beach, California, which is trying to pull up the pictures. I just met with Greg last Friday, which is always amazing to meet up with everybody. So, real people, real stories, real results. Another trade, we are very, very close to reversal zone. Will the price stage exact same collapses on the previous trade? Oh, stop outside the break even. We know and respect reversal zone highly. Correct? 1 point on S&P. Drastically different trade, drastically different targets. Isn't price magic? Isn't this a crucial reminder? Know when to move stop outside of break-even and know when to exit. That's where we are, right here, right now. Is everybody clear? The importance of reversal zone continue playing out. Markets are never boring. 2 points on S&P. Even in very boring markets. Again and again and again, you witnessing the importance of reversal zone and knowing when to exit the trade and move the stop outside of break-even.